a precision machine supplier to aviation, mainly the civil aviation market. We have all blue chip clients, and we purchased our first HAS in 2017, which was a VF2. And since then we've added multiple VF2s, DT1, DT2, ST10 lathes, and also UMC 750. We have a combination of 3-axis, 4-axis, and also 5-axis trinions on our VF2s. And we cut a multi-range of materials such as titanium, Inconel, Rene 77, a lot of Nimonic. The reason why we bought HAS is because I've been using HAS since the 1990s, right from the VFO, and they've always been a good machine. They always have delivered what's expected. They cut all types of material. It's a good all-round machine to use. And the main reason for choosing HAS in India was because our local support, our local authorised dealer, our Mano Marketing, based out of Chennai, is really good. They really service us well with fast turnaround in spares. They support us on machinery, general service. The service team in Hyderabad is very good. So this has allowed us to grow our machine capabilities up to 27 with more on order. We've decided to stick to one brand VMC due to the ease of the control. It's very user friendly, has listened to the customers. They keep updating the software, adding small software changes, which help make the program simpler and easier for the guys to use.
We are doing production on HAS missions, which we are having more than 25 missions, and we are getting the accuracy and repeatability continuously and consistently within less than 5 microns, so that the production part which we are doing on the HAS mission is getting as per the drawing requirement. There is no reworks or rejection. So we are very thankful to the HAS team for providing this type of mission to us.
This is a typical kind of component which we make. This itself we make on UMC 750, and we have a straightness of 20 microns and a concentricity of about 10 microns from end to end, and we export these into UK. So this is predominantly a material that we use with 6061 or 7035. Again, very quick on the UMC 750 through Poland, very accurate. And I see HAS and Mano Marketing as being a strategic partner for the future.